What's up, everybody? This is Torrance Davis of Davis Daily, and it took months, but I finally hired a cameraman to help me out with my videos. So, as you can see, this is the DJI Neo. I think what a lot of people, there's unboxings out there, but you realize how small this thing is? I didn't realize it was this tiny, and I haven't even opened it yet. So, let's get this opened. We're going to do an unboxing. This is probably the best unboxing of the DJI Neo that you're going to see on the internet. Thank you for subscribing to Davis Daily. Alright, so let's get this stuff out. And this will be a B cameraman. Like, the worst thing is is the days you wish you had a cameraman to film you while you did stuff. Well, here we go. There goes a cute little propeller. Cute little propeller too. DJI is my favorite company, favorite electronic company, hands down. Nobody does it better than DJI. So I have most of their products. And it's like, usually when you think of China and you think of electronics, you think of cheap, and DJI is top tier. And they're an example of how all electronics companies should operate in terms of quality. Got some badass DJI stickers. Been waiting for these. Didn't get them with my expensive drone, not like this. But these are nice big ones. Let's see, we got it's a whole set. Let's go. Put some on the truck. What? Collectibles? Okay. All right, DJI. I see where you're going. This is what I'm talking about. So this actually cost me, I originally got it with the chargers, the 3 chargers in the charge kit. But, I saw people were getting theirs and I wasn't getting mine. I was like, why is mine still on back order? But I know people are getting them. The kit that comes with the batteries is the one that was on back order. So I canceled that order and got just the drone. So the drone with no remote. So it dropped my price from drone with remote and 2 batteries from $289 down to $199. $200 for this drone. Now, if you're a content creator and you want a cameraman, you're going to pay $150 to $200 a day for a cameraman. Or you could go hourly, but you're gonna spend $200 like in your first 3 videos easily, right? Don't eat the silica gel. So here it is. I don't have huge hands for being such a big dude. I have small hands. Don't know why. But look at this thing. Whenever I watch the videos, for some odd reason, I pictured it would be bigger. But here it is. So these propellers were 2 bonus propellers. I'll probably never take the cage off. There's no reason to. There's the camera. There's the battery. I'm going to take off this tab. And I'll eject the battery just so we can see what it looks like. A super lightweight battery. This is the lightest drone ever made. I was thinking about the Hover X. I was actually going to get the Hover X, but when this was announced, right around the time the new Hover X was announced, I'm like, nope. Give me the new DJI, and I'm good to go. So there's the little camera on the gimbal. And I'm going to put this on to protect it. And I finally got this is my second drone. I will use this drone more than my other drone. Because I need it for Davis Daily. So I will hook up my remote to it. I'll configure it, update software, I'll charge it up. And then this will be my little follow around cameraman. I cannot believe that something like this is such an issue. Funny thing is, like, this tiny, super lightweight drone is a huge issue. And maybe I'm wrong, but if you want to fly a remote control helicopter or plane and get paid for it, I don't think you need a Part 107. I could be wrong because I'm studying for my Part 107 now. But you need a Part 107 for these. And even if it's under the weight that's required for registration, as long as you're making money off of these, you got to get it registered. So this one will not be a moneymaker. But my bigger drone, which is the Mini 3 Pro, I'll have to get that registered once I get my Part 107. This is David Staley. You will see a change in the videos because it'll seem like I have a cameraman walking around following me. It's going to be really cool. And like you could fly this around the house too. So maybe when I take a dump, you can sit there and talk to me while I'm on the toilet. Or maybe I can talk to you. How about that for David Staley? Leave your comments, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.